So your assignment is to work on the skill V4, and you're supposed to get to a 70 SMART score. So I'm going to do some of these problems with you. So we have learned that when we are multiplying and our bases are the same, then all we have to do is add the exponent. So I see that I have a base of n and a base of n. So my base is going to be n, and then I just add my exponent. 4 plus 5 is 9. So my answer will be 9, or n to the 9. If your bases are the same, you just add the exponent. So right here, I have h and h. So my base is going to be h. And then I add my exponent, 7 plus 3. So that's going to be 10. So it's going to be h to the 10. Okay. I have r for both of my bases. So I know my base is going to be r. And then I add my exponents together. 6 plus 7. 6 plus 7, and that's going to be 13. So r to the 13th. Okay. Same thing right here. My base is z. So I'm going to have z as my base. Since I'm multiplying, I add my exponents. 8 plus 9 is 17. Okay. My base is going to be v. It stays the same. Since I'm multiplying, I add my exponents. 9 or 4 plus 9 is 13. Okay. My base is going to be u. Add my exponents. 2 plus 4 is 6. Okay. My base is going to be d. Now I'm going to add my exponents. 2 plus 9 is 11. So d to the 11th. Okay, so here's, I know that, take it step, it looks a little bit different, but I'm going to take it one step at a time. I know that my base is going to be u. Okay, and if I have 0 plus 0, that's just u to the 0. Now, before I hit enter, we should know, because we have talked about before, that anything to the 0 power is just 1. So any number, letter, variable, anything to the 0 power is going to be 1. So right here, instead of having u to the 0, I'm going to backspace all that, and I'm just going to put 1. Okay? So the base is going to be d. I know that, so I'm going to go ahead and put d as my base. And then now I need to deal with the exponent. We know that a d is really a d to the first power. And that second d is really a d to the first power. So if both of these are to the first power, and I just add 1 plus 1, I'm going to have d to the second power. So d to the second. Okay. So now we're back. I see my base is going to be b. Add your exponent. 13. 9 plus 4 is 13. Okay, so I have another d to the 0 plus d to the 0. I know that's just going to be d to the 0. Anything to the 0 power always equals 1. So I'm not going to type in d to the 0. I'm just going to type in 1. Okay, I've got to a 72, so I'm good to go. That took me 9 minutes, it looks like. Well, I think I got in here a little bit late, but anyway. All right, see you guys.